day and hardly any wind. So it should be a great ride. Morning again. It's just been absolutely beautiful this morning. The one nice thing about driving in Montana is that there isn't a lot of traffic, so you can actually spend some time looking at the scenery. It's just absolutely stunning, some of these places. It's a little cold in some areas, but really enjoying the ride, and talk to you soon. I also forgot to mention that it's nice to be able to take the liner out of the coat today. It's supposed to be going up to 28. Right now it's about, I think, 15 degrees. Should be really